Today's video is going to be nice and simple. I'm just going to show you guys how to do get this beautiful color using a watercoloring technique. But before we get into the video, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Like, you guys keep coming over here to watch free videos and not subscribing.
I'm so damn confused.
So please go ahead and subscribe and let's get started. Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the watercoloring method. This is the hair that I will be using. I already dyed it last night. This is the colors. Well, these are the colors I'm going to be using. And I got my water here. This is the conditioner I'll be using after. And I will just use my hair mayonnaise to deep condition the hair when I'm done. Result, the hair is not so dry anymore because I did condition it, and then I left the deep conditioner in for like hours because one, I bleached the hair, and then two, you're putting in dye, so the hair is not as dry anymore. As you can see, it's nice and thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video.